Now the great thing about this is that you cannot screw this up with a neutral wire. Hey guys, Brad here. Today we're going to take a look at Caseta's Smart Bridge and Wireless Kit. This is an amazing kit if you want to get your house into a wireless operating system. Let me show you how this works. So with this kit, you're getting the Smart Bridge, you're getting a dimmer switch, and you're getting a remote control. So for starters, your dimmer switch is something that you would actually physically wire in. Now the great thing about this is that you cannot screw this up with a neutral wire or ground wire. It's all very, very simple to do. So your green goes to ground and either black will go to black or white. It does not matter. So this way you don't have to hire an electrician. You just got to know how to moret these properly and you're good to go. So with the switch itself, it connects to the hub, but you've got full dimming capabilities here. Plus you can program this into your phone so you can control everything from your phone. Now the second part of this is a remote control. Now the remote control does the exact same thing as the wired switch. It's just separate and it doesn't have to mount onto the wall. And I'm going to show you in a second another trick that you can do with this to make it look just like a switch. So now the hub itself requires power, which it comes with. So you just have to plug this power line in and that goes right here. And then you would plug your Ethernet into this. So right off your modem into your hub. Now you're connected to your internet, which puts out your signal to your phone. You get the app and then you can control all of your lighting. So there's so much more you can do with this system to expand it to different lights. You can control LED lights, incandescent lights, halogen lights, whatever you want to do, it pretty much has you covered. Another cool thing about this remote control is that on the back, we have an adhesive backing. Now this will allow you to stick it anywhere on a wall, but then you can take a cover plate and it fits right over top. You just add 2 little screws to screw this into the wall and it looks just like a switch. You can also switch out this plate to match your traditional style if you really wanted to. So with Lutron's Caseta wireless system, you're really covered with all kinds of control of your lighting from exterior to interior. You can have timers set so when you come home, lights come on. Also with the geofencing technology, when you walk in and you've got your phone on you, lights will just turn right on. The Caseta wireless system is awesome. I highly recommend it. I use it myself and I love it. Hope this video helps. Keep on crushing it and we'll catch you later.